Damn. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark here with M2M Detail. In this video, guys, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the CarPro Wash Box. So this stuff is a great kit to get you started if you want to wash your car and you don't have no supplies. I would start by getting one of these. Of course, get a foam cannon, bucket, all that stuff, etc. But just to get you started, great kit right here. Also, I do want to mention that you guys should be buying the CarPro Lift. It's a pre-soak, so you spray it on the car when the car is dry, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then rinse it off and then go into your wash cycle after that. So I'll put a link for CarPro Lift. Really do like this. If you guys got trucks and they're muddy and stuff and got a lot of dirt on your vehicle, it's a great way to break down some of that dirt before you start washing the car and, you know, scratching your paint a little bit. So definitely get some lift. Now let's get straight into the video, guys. We're going to be unboxing this, show you guys everything it comes with. They are $69.99 on Sky's the Limit Car Care. Link in description for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it, guys. So packaging, excellent. I really do like it. It's a great look. So we're going to open this all up. Let's see what we got. So guys, we're going to start from the front with the bottles. First things first, you're going to have Reset. That's going to be your regular shampoo. After that, guys, we're going to have Elixir, which is an instant detailer. This stuff works magic, makes the car really silk and hydrophobic at the same time, and protecting your paint also. So great chemical right here, guys. Does smear a lot, so make sure you got a towel to rub in and you have a dry towel buff off. That's going to make it a lot easier to apply. Of course, you guys got the CarPro Wash Mitt. This thing's awesome. I really do like this one. Also in the back, it has like a little mesh, which I find works really great to remove some bugs off the front bumper. But overall, guys, it's a great mitt. Then we have a spray for the Elixir. Then we have a two-phase lint towel. This is CarPro's lint-free towel right here, guys. And my favorite is the hydrate towel right here, the dehydrate towel. These work great. It is a smaller one, so it's gonna be hard to dry your whole vehicle. Definitely blow your vehicle off before you're drying it. That's gonna reduce how much it's gonna absorb. If it gets too wet, it's gonna be smearing a little bit, but it's a great towel. All right, guys, that's what $69.99 looks like. So let's package this back up real quick. All right, guys, big plus. We were able to get it all back in the same way it came. Really do like that. Most of the time you can't get the packages back in the same way, but this one's not too bad. So if you guys are local around us, we do sell these in the store. So come by, pick one up, give us a call. We're having them in stock. But all right, guys, that's pretty much it. Just want to give you guys a quick little video. I did drop that. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Just want to give you a quick little video of the CarPro Wash Box. Link in the description if you guys need one. As always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Mark out.